This is a story of strength. This is a story of courage. The table has turned. And this is what I encourage everybody, every community to do. The locals, who are majority Hausa community, have turned the table and shattered the people they refer to as the Fulani terrorists. It happened yesterday, and this is the kind of thing I encourage everyone to do. This is a story of courage and of the people being resolute, standing up for themselves and defending themselves. Some persons refer to what they did as barbaric, but for me, I call it justice. So let us understand what happened yesterday in Achida community in Sokoto State. Stay with me.
Alhamdulillah a cidawa alhamdulillah a cidawa an samu nasara akan barayi taron ilahi na mutane kenan sun kauto da cikin jeji he da mutum dubu sun shirya.
Thursday, April 23 is today, 2026. Good morning, everyone. This video is not to support jungle justice. This is not to support different kind of evil. No. I think this is a jungle justice, but I'm going to tell you the reason why at this moment, anybody going after the terrorists, I will support the person. No matter the kind of way they are using to go after the terrorists, I will always applaud them. Now, this thing happened in Hausa community in Sokoto State. What happened? It's in Achida, Achida, whether it's Achida or Akida. I don't know how they pronounce it, but it's a community in Sokoto State. This community is Hausa dominated community. They have been facing different kind of threats from they said Fulani terrorists. It was an Hausa person that sent this to me this morning. So what happened? They fed up. They fed up. They have to take their destiny into their hands. This is what I used to tell people all the time. That stop waiting for the government or security. They will not save you. Your destiny is in your hand. You are the only one that can save yourself. So at night, these people now move with their gun, with their bow and arrow. At night, that is this video you are seeing. At night, not in the day. At night, they now move and they went after the Fulani terrorists, according to what they told me. So they got them, they killed them, and the worst thing is, should I say, it's barbaric. They cut off one of the Fulani terrorists' head. They pierced stick in the head, and they started parading the head. Anyway, I would say is somehow barbaric, but considering what these people have done to them, I call it justice. Yeah, I call it justice. They said these people will come to their community, they will do all sort of things. Police will not talk anything. The military will not talk anything. I told you people that what happened in Sokoto communities when they invited Lakurawa terrorists. Lakurawa came. Lakurawa is a foreign terrorist, foreign mercenaries. They have link with so many countries who are supporting Sharia. So Lakurawa came. When I first hear the story about Lakurawa, how they invited them, Sokoto people invited Lakurawa. Lakurawa did not just jump into Nigeria. They did not come because they are hungry. They did not come because they want to kidnap people for ransom. No, they came to teach Sharia. They came to teach Sharia. So when I learned this, that was 3 years ago, I was not convinced enough until I hear it from Christopher Musa when he was the chief of defense staff. Christopher Musa came to Chinese television and lectured us about Lakurawa terrorists. And these people, they came due to the invitation extended to them by the Sokoto people. That is why I'm telling everybody to be very careful in Nigeria. Be very careful. You see all these terrorists, some people will say we are against terrorists. Be very careful. It's not all soldiers that are against them. It's not all police that is against them. It is not all people in politics that is against them. They have supporters everywhere. They have supporters everywhere. So these people came, they started teaching the dictates of Sharia, how you should go to toilets, how you should eat, how you should dress. Started teaching rubbish. And they invited them because the people perceive that Nigeria is mature for a complete Sharia domination. I'm telling you real life story. Real life story. I'm saying this because a lot of you don't understand what we are facing in Nigeria. Albert Einstein, I will continue to quote him. He said that if you give me an hour to solve the problem on Earth, I will spend 59 minutes. I will spend 59 minutes doing what? Defining the problem, knowing what the problem is. And I will use just 1 minute to solve the problem. So, what does that teach you? For me, it taught me that knowing the problem is equivalent to proffering solution to that problem. Every now and then, chief of army staff, one after the other, they will be telling us one story. There is an underlying issue about insecurity in Nigeria. So it's not what you can solve it in one day. It is not what someone will just come out and put a stop to it. So there is an underlying issue that is making the insecurity not to finish. So even though you deploy the whole military, let everybody in Nigeria join military, it will not stop. The underlying issue is that the people who are controlling the forces have been infiltrated and you can't do nothing about it. And that is why I am advocating that everyone in Nigeria should own a gun. I don't know the reason why you are not a Vigilante member or you are not a member of NFS. It doesn't cost money, it doesn't take anything. That is the easiest way for you to have gun. Express, you have your own gun. By the way, all these people, most people in the north, they don't have license to their gun, but their gun is not threatening because they are using it to defend themselves. I know about a community who were training their people. They bought all these guns, all these shoot and run hunters gun. We are at a level now where everyone must defend their community, but you must start by defending yourself. I went for a short training myself. I joined a security outfit. I own my own gun. You understand? That is why I'm telling you it is easier to do that. Join a vigilante group. Like you can't be a vigilante member and you want a gun to secure your community and they will not give it to you. Nobody should put hope on the police or the security agencies again. The good ones have done enough. They can't do anything further. The good ones are dying for nothing. Don't you know how many soldiers that have died only this year? Don't you know? They are setting them up. And they are using that to send a wrong signal, a wrong message to people. They are saying that, oh, if they are killing soldiers, who are you to withstand them? Shut up. Communities are chasing Boko Haram. Vigilantes are giving them wrong, killing them, doing all sort of things. There are so many things in Nigeria that you may not understand now. Okay? So people should get ready to what to come. There are so many security outfits that are carrying AK-47 in Nigeria. People following Asari Dokubo. Asari Dokubo said he's a mujahideen, that is a jihadist. And the Islamic Republic of Nigeria allow him to be issuing AK-47 for his security men. You don't get it. Use most of your time to discover the problem before you talk solution. The solution most of you people are talking is rubbish. Like, it's rubbish. You don't know the solution because you don't know the problem. If you understand the problem of Nigeria, you won't be talking about 2027. You will understand that this is a people's-based solution now. No matter who becomes your president, no matter this, people must get ready. People must understand that they are at war. You see, most Nigerians don't know that Nigeria is at war. Serious war. You are at war with jihadis who want to conquer your country and your territory. And so many people are still playing games about it. But, you know, I love what these people, did yesterday. I love it. I love it. Even though they paraded the head of the terrorists they killed, but actually, I actually love what they did, and I think that is what so many people are supposed to be doing. There is nothing wrong about it. You understand? So I encourage everyone, every community to do the same. For me, even though tomorrow they will send maybe police after them or military after them, because that is the next thing you may see. They will say, who did this, who did that? Why can't you call the police? Why can't you bring them? Why can't you arrest them? All those things. But all those talks, we have passed that level. Yeah, we have passed that level of calling police for terrorists. And no, 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 no. I think the best thing is what they have done. If you see anybody who invaded your territory, invaded your place to kill you, we are at war now. If you bring AK-47, you are shooting sporadically, you know that you're already digging your grave. Anyone that kills with gun will die by gun. Anyone that killeth by sword will die by sword. If you kill by gun, you die by gun. So I don't have any issue with what these people have done, and I encourage people to do the same.